What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen. All right, my whimsical family, let me start off by wishing you happy, prosperous 2023. I want you to be committed to 2 Corinthians 13:11, which reminds us that we ought to be contented. We ought to be aware, cooperative, to be adaptable, because our God of love and peace is always with us. So as you see from the title, guys, we're doing tripe and bean. It is an island delicacy, guys, and you start by cleaning your tripe. Now, guys, this is the most important part of the preparation. Make sure you clean it nice and good. I'm gonna move straight in with some lemon, guys. This is local lemon. I'm gonna add that lemon to the pot, scald it off, guys. Remember that the most important thing about this meal prep is to make sure that your tripe is well clean. So guys, after scalding it off, again, I'm gonna go in with some lemon and some vinegar, and I'm gonna wash this thoroughly. Make sure I remove any excess fat, guys, and then I go straight into seasoning up this thing here. Now, people, I'm gonna go in with my dry herbs and spices, some paprika and cayenne pepper, some garlic, salt with parsley, guys. I'm gonna add some ginger, some thyme, guys. Allow it to marinate. Of course, I'm gonna put on some brown sauce on it, and then, guys, I'm gonna fry this down. You see, after I'm done fry it down, people, I'm gonna add to that some stock. Now, guys, I forget to tell you about the ginger. You see, that ginger something at a time, something there, it add a very good flavor to your meat. So you don't want to leave it out, guys. You see that pimento thing there and that ginger and fresh garlic, guys. Add that to it. Stir it around, add about 2 cups of water, cover and pressure for about 40 minutes. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge, guys. So it's the next day, and I'm going ahead to make the sauce for my tripe. Now, guys, in this, you see I have a variety of onions, some carrot, guys. I'm gonna add to that 2 cans of butter bean, guys. I'm gonna add to that enough seasoning after seasoning up my bean, guys, so that I can get all that Caribbean goodness when me bite into my tripe and bean. I'm gonna season it up, guys. Of course, dry herbs and spices. Next, guys, I'm gonna add to that my cooked tripe. See the guys, you can see it was in the fridge from last night. So I'm gonna just put everything together, guys, cover it up and make it cook in for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, guys, after 5 to 7 minutes, I time for nice up this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna add to that some tomatoes and some bell peppers. Of course, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, guys. I'm gonna add some fresh parsley to this. Turn down the stove, guys, and make this simmer. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. But before I close the pot on this meal, let me wish extra special birthday greetings to my darling Milton, to my student Regina, and friend Dory. Know that Wayne sees, loves, and appreciate you. I'll see you next week, guys. Thanks for watching. Love, 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 and I love you. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and of course, follow me on other social media sites.